also went and looked at Dewey Square for Sienna.
Oops, sorry.
He's nice, doesn't he?
He's a real
Now
good
tell
mover.
me his history. You
Okay,
took a chip out of something?
Yeah, we had him here 2 days, and I sold him out of the round pen. That's how good a mover. A lawyer was here from somewhere in Kentucky, bought like 7 or 8 horses.
Awful.
Just
Just
off
everywhere.
different farms everywhere. Some and bought a couple of weanlings too.
Right.
And what I couldn't, he just wants to race. I don't know why he bought weanlings. Well, there comes the winner.
That I find it's even better. It's in the same family.
Soldier in the Rain, 2-year-old colt. By Warpass out of Where Would He Be?
She worked on it. She probably cleaned it.
Bad news with him when
That's a good way to do it.
they wanted $1,570,000. We offered him $1 million. How stupid is the horse park and living in college?
They were idiots. You know, they asked it. Somehow I
Well,
got
justice was involved with it. We told him why. Everybody says it will not. It's not going to happen. So and so the lady bought it. She said, "Will you buy the back?" I said, "Yeah."
Looks like
Perfect.
she's gonna do a good job up there.
Good
Well, she was
job.
going to repair everything. Then she said she was going to tear it all.
Soldier in the Rain.
We're only going to be here for one time.